Hi everybody, Stella Jane Penn here. I'm just shooting a very quick video to actually go through with you how the Get 4 Pay No More bonus can work. So you can be the reason that people learn the skill, okay? Sharing is caring. This doesn't mean that you have to be building the business side, that you're doing the educating, that you're trading or calling out any live trade ideas. You're not having to sell people anything. You're not having to do any of that, okay? But you can be the reason people learn the skill. And the amazing thing about this is that you get 4 no more bonus, okay? What that means is it's helping you to save more by sharing what you found. So as a preferred customer or executive rank distributor, okay, so that may not mean anything to you. It doesn't need to, okay, but I am clarifying this in one video for our preferred customers and or our distributors, okay? So as a preferred customer or executive rank distributor, if you enroll 4 qualified preferred customers as you are, or as a distributor that you may be, that maintains 100 RV, that stands for rank volume, for our distributors each commission month to receive $185 off of your monthly automatic order. So this includes 4 qualified customers or distributors, plus maintain 100 RV each commission month, and that will equal $185 off of your monthly. Now the commission month is defined as the current Tuesday to Monday week period, plus the prior 3 weeks. The leg placements for our distributors of the 4 qualified enrollees does not affect the 4 no more bonus anymore, okay? And this is how it works. Personally enroll 4 qualified preferred customers or distributors that maintain 100 RV rank volume monthly. Your automatic order does not change or move dates. It will continue to run on its normal schedule, and the 4 no more bonus applies 185 credit to that order, okay? If the order total is 185, you pay $0, okay? Yeah, it's absolutely free. If the order total exceeds that 185, you pay the amount due less 185, as we have different levels and memberships of packs. So as a preferred customer or executive rank distributor, enroll 4 qualified preferred customers or distributors, it doesn't matter, that maintain 50 rank volume RV each commission month to receive $109.99 off of your monthly automatic order. I hope that clarifies it all for you, and thanks for listening. Love and light.